guys. We are exploring um today the nuke map on the internet. Here's the information. It's a good tool to play with. Currently, we just we just did detonate a simulation of a 800 kiloton um this pretty much here's the number estimated fatality is right here 514,740 1,472,170 if I read that right. And here's the information right here is the pretty much the fireball area. Right here is pretty much your moderate blast damage radius, thermal radiation, third degree burns. Right here is your light blast damage radius. Okay, you also would knock out power grid because this is the air bus. Okay, we're gonna do a surface burst. Here we go. Boom. Depends on the wind direction. This is pretty much reacted area radiation. If you're blowing from the north, that way. Just depends which way the wind blows. So anywhere in this area can get fallout. Maybe even farther. That's crazy, huh? So we just say it. That's the direction. Okay. We're gonna do another simulation over Chicago. Yeah, we do over Chicago. Cleveland, Ohio. We have to find Chicago in here. Chicago. You have to you're typing it up. We're gonna go ahead and do the air burst. I meant clear effects. Back out a little bit. Detonate. $1 million. Yeah, that's quite a few people. Less than I thought it would be. Here's your fireball. Here's a moderate damage radius. And yeah, it just tells you all the stuff right here, all the information. This is your thermal radiation radius. Light blast damage radius. That's crazy. We're gonna zoom out. To scale, it's not that big of an area really. We can go ahead and change that to a surface. Boom. Tell you what, this whole area right here can be affected by fallout. We're gonna go ahead and do we'll go ahead and spin it a little bit. It just depends which way the wind blows. This whole radius can be affected by fallout. Depends which way the wind blows. Okay. Next problem. Washington D.C. Clear. Okay, we're going to air. Boom. This can be a large. No, it's less. The number's not as big as I thought it'd be. Huh. Um. Go ahead and do a surface. Clear data. Surface. Boom. Well, this looks more severe right here. I don't know why it seems bigger. We're gonna do. Here's the radius. It depends on the wind blows. And depends how many times it gets hit in the areas too. You can have multiple of these in the area. This Detroit. Okay. New York. That never jumps up really fast. That's a lot of people. Yeah, that's that's not the. This is 800 kiloton. This is over the air knockout power, power grid and stuff by EMP. Um, I'm gonna zoom in the area right here. There's just a simulation. Okay, right there. That's your fireball radius. Moderate blast damage radius. Thermal radiation radius. 3rd-degree burns. Yeah, light blast area damage. Yeah, pressure area. Risk radiation. Okay, we're gonna clear this out, and we're gonna do a surface. I think the surface does more damage when it comes to radiation. This shows pretty good size area. Oh, okay. Like mentioned earlier, depends on the wind direction. Do hamster. And see if it blows from the south um, east to the northwest. It hit New York right there from New York City. The fallout cloud. Like I said, it could be anywhere in the radius. Normally, I just say that's the direction, maybe. Most of the wind blows. If we do it in center USA, we find it's the San Francisco. We'd say San Francisco real fast. Clear this all out. pretty much an island. If you know, hope you know where that is. This can be a air with EMP. Oh yeah, it has less people than I thought it would be that live there. Um, it could be anywhere in San Francisco. We just say pretty much here. Your fall ball, moderate blast damage radius, thermal radiation radius. Your light blast with high pressure. I got hiccups. Sorry. We'll do a surface now. Um, Anywhere in this area. Oh, here we go. Oh, I see now. This is difference in zones. Fireball, heavy blast, radius on pressure, moderate, uh, thermal radiation, the light debris. What is it light blast damage, and the PSI fallout. I forgot to show you this stuff earlier. Zoom out a little bit more. There we go. Farther you go down, more rads you get. Okay, we're gonna start over again. We can go to. Actually, we find another town. Chicago, Illinois. I already tried that. Boston. Um, I think that's all right. I noticed they don't have any central U.S. unless you put the zip code and state name. We're gonna try Oklahoma City maybe. Why did it go back there? Oh, I hit go. There we go. Clear. Okay. This is Oklahoma City, USA. Bloop. Oh, okay. Go back up here. Clear this out. I'm gonna do a surface. Yeah, you can play with this for hours and just kind of estimate with different types of different kilotons. Yeah, it goes all the way to Kansas. Anywhere's This is crazy. Anywhere's in this, anywhere's. So you can blow anywhere in state Oklahoma, pretty much. Just Oklahoma City. That's it. But yeah, recommend you give this a try. Here's the pretty much the website.